Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about selection sort. It is one of the brute force way sorting algorithm which we use. So as you can see, selection sort is a simple comparison based sorting algorithm. Here we repeatedly select the smallest element from the unsorted part and put it in the correct position. So what happened actually there, like for example I have written there, think of a sorting card in your hand. You can scan all cards, then you find the smallest card and put in the first position, and repeat this all with the remaining card which are unsorted. Okay, just like that. So the algo which is I have also written the algo here. We start with the index 0. Assume the current index is the minimum. So let's write the code int arr, like we are declaring the array. Okay, so the length of the array is 6. Then we define a for loop. And -1 time it will be iterated. Here we declare a variable min index. Its value will be I. Then again a for loop int here I plus 1. Then it will iterate till n, and same it will be increment. Okay, so the j will start at the ith plus 1 index. Okay, then here we'll do a if statement in which array dot I array dot j is less than array dot min index. Okay, in this what we do, min index is equal to j. Like what we are doing here, if array dot j index value is smaller than array dot min index, then what we will do, the index at which j is there, we assign that index value to the min index. Okay, then we perform a swap of array at ith index dot swap of array min index. Okay, so basically our code is almost completed. What we are doing here, let me explain you. We assign a min index. Okay, min index start with ith value, int variable 0. Then we assign a nested for loop inside the for loop, where j start from 0 plus 1 index, which means it will start from this position. Okay, and it will end till n. It will iterate till the last element of this array, like 3. Okay, so what we are doing here, array at index j is 3. Okay, array at index what I can say, 1 is 1. Okay, and array at min index 0 is 9. We compare them, so 9 is greater than 1, it's true. So what we will do, min index value will be assigned what, 1. Okay, so what we will do, min index will become what, 1 become. Okay, so after it will iterate through the whole array. Okay, through the whole array, and it will compare each element with min index. Okay, and through that we get the minimum index value, where the value at that index is the smallest. Like here we get 1 is the smallest compared to 9. So what we will do, we will swap both. So 9 will come second, and a will come 1 will come at index 0, like that it will work. Okay, so here we'll print it array cout var return 0. Okay, so let's run the code for once. The code has successfully compiled. Let's execute it. Selection sort. Okay, there is a segmentation fault. Where it could be? Let's start iterating n, then n minus 1, I is equal to 0. Okay, n minus 1 till is equal to less than minimum index j is equal to I plus 1. Okay, sorry, here we have right, it should be j. Okay, then compile it again. I will also tell you the how algorithm is working. Now it's working properly. As you can see, the sorted array. Here's the sorted array. There was an unsorted array, and here's the sorted array. Okay. So what's actually happening? I have already told you, but once again I will explain it. Algorithm start with index 0. As you can see, I assume the current index has minimum value. Current index is our current index 0, the value is 9. We assume it is a minimum value. Traverse the remaining array to find the actual minimum value. Through j for loop, we will traversing the whole array to find the actual minimum value. Like from j is equal to 1 at index 1, 9 is less than 1. It is for sure. That's why we assign the minimum index to. Here what we actually doing, we are finding the minimum index. I mean the index where the value is the minimal. Okay, compared to other values of that index, like we have done in 9 and 1. Okay, so we'll iterate and swap. Okay, we'll iterate almost n times, and then when we'll get the minimum index, we'll swap it with the current I index. Okay, we'll do it till n minus 1. Okay, so the time complexity of this algorithm will go to big O of n square at every case. In worst, average or best case, it will be always what, big O of n square. Okay, and here we printed out the array. So that's how actually the the code is working, and the selection sort work. Okay guys, so yeah, that's it. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. I will be very happy to see it and respond. So thank you for watching.